let's head on over to our students.
The kids.
Children.
Our undergrads. How about you guys? Yeah, Jaime and Rain. It's totally different right now. Since you guys started classes, was it last week?
Yeah, last week.
Sige, how is it now in school? How is it now? Does it I mean, we're sure that there's so much differences than it was in having physical classes right now. So how is it in UP right now for you guys as students?
I go.
Sige, Jaime. Go na. Ikaw na.
So actually, currently, my university, it's called Zoom University. It's been challenging personally kasi when I learn, I really like to interact, ask questions. Ako yung batang ma'am, question.
Talaga?
Ako yun
talaga. Bukid talaga.
So it's been difficult because you go on your own pace and you have to be disciplined with the assessments, the tasks. If not, it's gonna pile up at the end of the semester. So each week, kailangan disciplined ka, but courtside training naman na organized ka and OC ka, so that's a big help. But just seeing people, I guess it's different. Yung vibe ng UP pa rin na I'm sure alam nyo to, yung pag stressed kayo, may spot kayo sa UP to relax. Either the church, or walk ka sa oval, kain ka sa area 2 or kiosk, diba? Miss ko na yung mga ganong experience ng UP. Miss ko na magmuni-muni dyan siya. Parang
Sunken Garden ba yan?
Sunken Garden. Yan. So, it's challenging, pero trying one day at a time.
Actually, yeah, diba? It's actually therapeutic in a way. If coming from a really tough class or a tough exam, just walking to your next class with that few minutes of like free time with the trees around you helps a bit talaga eh. But then now, you just face your computer. After the class, you end the call and then go to your next call while still sitting down in the same place. So it's totally, I understand your frustrations right now. How about you, Ray? How have you been coping? Sige, so.
Dapat Google ka muna ng trees. Google
Sa YouTube!
Walking tour, ganon.
Actually, hindi lang sa class setting. Kasi kahit, di ba sa office, after nun, may after office hours kayo. So, yung working class din talaga. As in, sobrang social distancing talaga, parang ganun. As in, nothing after work. You just chat with your friends. Wala na yung drinks after ganyan. So yeah, dami-dami talaga lahat eh. Everything Zoom interaction.
Gusto na yung chismisan after class?
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. Or like before, yung bago dumating yung prof, di ba?
Or like during. Joke lang.
Si Yani ba? Sige, go ahead, Rain. How about you?
Well, yeah, I mean, I miss the physical structure of UP. Parang, I like going, not like going to school late lang. Mahirap pala umabsent.
Yun na.
I like seeing school rather. I feel like yon mas honest statement from me yon. But contrary to like Jaime, I actually am very introverted. I like staying at home.
Really?
Hindi ako lalabas.
Really?
Yeah. I mean,
okay.
Right now, I swear, now, of course, like the situation calls for it. So I feel like, just working in media since, for all those years, it really pushed me outside of my comfort zone. But if I really had the choice, I would much rather just finish the entire year online. Like, personal choice ko lang yun. Kasi I like my house. Can you use my house? So, yeah, but I think the main adjustment for me is the schedule. Like, there's so many asynchronous classes na we don't even meet face-to-face. And I'm so used to having such a jam-packed schedule na, alam mo yun, especially nag-courtside ako for Adamson. So like, okay, I have class from this time to this time, and then I hop on an angkas, and then I go to Manila, and then afterwards I go back, diba? So parang sobrang, everything's so fast-paced.
Yeah,
and then suddenly it stopped. So I think that's the main adjustment for me right now.
So in a way, you're actually enjoying this, if that's what you're saying.
I love it. I feel like I'm so
this is nice. This is nice.
Thriving. She
so
is thriving.
I'm thriving. Not even gonna lie. Like I wake up every morning, like yes, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna be in my pajamas all day.
I TikTok
I love that.
TikTok kasi daw.
Yes.
Nasa yung bagong viral video niya.
O diba? For the show. Make sample naman. Sige na.
You know, I'm very professional right now.
Yun!
Podcast kong podcast.
Kasi kami rin,
compartmentalize, guys.
Kami rin medyo nahiya lang kami magtanong sa'yo. Pero, we're just being here. But then if you want, like, wala naman problema dyan.
No pressure. No pressure.
Warm up na.
Ako may pressure.
Nakadulo.
Cassandra, go.
Cassandra. Oh my goodness.
Very fresh.
Paano bang sige lang nga, wait, paano bang sample?
Oh, wait.
Prepared.
Ano ba?